my beautiful people? What is up, my Netherlands fans? I'm a returning person back into the Netherlands country, right? But today is a suggested video that this person commented saying, hey, right, please react to Glennis Greece from the Netherlands covering this song. I will always love you, right? So this person mentioned this comment that she sounds like Whitney Houston. To be honest, I'm eager. I'm excited, right? In fact, it's my first time even making my reaction onto this female. I know nothing at all about her. I'm not sure what she's capable of, or she will perform this song or do this cover like how Whitney Houston would do. I have no idea who is this female, so right now I'll be learning, right? And to you, my friend, this is your suggested video, right? So guys, note briefly, I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. And one question to anyone who is watching this video: do anyone here who's watching this video right now know Bob Marley, this man? Please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to see how well this man has been well known by y'all and in your country. So guys, without further ado, let's see this female take this song by storm. I'll be happy to be that breeze. Peace. Oh wow. Hey. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, bro? Her voice is golden. I just started and this is so good. Stay. I would only be in. Wait. Are you sure that she's not Whitney Houston herself? Because damn, this is giving a nostalgic feeling right now that this is Whitney Houston herself right there, presenting this song with a different name. Wow. You wait, so I go. Oh wow, bro. Whoa. Buka, bro. She's talented. She's freaking talented. But I know that I'll think of you. Whoa. She should be awarded for this. Damn, she's good. Every step of the way. Look, I thought Putri was a replacement for Whitney Houston, but I guess I have to go deeper before I make that decision, because right now this woman is freaking incredible. Powerful voice. Powerful voice. Buka. This is what I call a powerful voice. A voice that can blow the wall of Jericho down, bro. Trust me, I will be so happy, even though I'm happy now, to sit in that audience to witness this woman perform this song, bro. She is a masterpiece of this, trust me. You Look, it's my first time. This is freaking amazing.
My darling, you bittersweet.
Her voice is so sweet, so tasty. Boop boop.
Memories, that is all I'm taking with me.
Oh my god, bro. Well, I'm speechless. I've known this female for just a few minutes. And what I'm hearing thus far, it's pure gold.
So goodbye, but please don't cry. We both.
Whoa. To be honest, yo, 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 this is crazy.
No, I'm not what you need. And
Wait. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for that. No. I'm not ready. Yo, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Whoa. Whoa.
I will always love you.
Wow. She's blessed. With this voice, she's blessed. She's an angel, bro.
I will always love you.
Wow. That note. That freaky note. That freaky note. Yo. This is way too much for me right now to answer. Beautiful music. Beautiful musician. Ah. This is so relaxing. So chill.
I hope
Oh, that's so smooth. Nusa.
life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you.
Yo, one thing I know, that Whitney Houston, you are in big trouble. Because someone will one day come steal that beautiful song of you for themselves, bro. With these singing, with these masterpiece of works, trust me, I've heard plenty, right? Yo, she gonna be fearing for her life for these people, bro. With the same note that Whitney Houston pull, she pulls it, bro. With the same weight that Whitney Houston carrying this song, she carries it, bro. She's a threat. Yo, she's a threat, bro.
But above all this, I wish you love.
This is what Oh. Yo! Whoa! Whoa! No way! No way she did that, bro. She's freaking good, bro. She's good! Wow! 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 This is remarkable. Me not to underestimate anyone anymore. Because I always think that, hey, one person can do it and no one else can. But trust me, this led me to start to rethink what I've said and to appreciate everyone who can sing. Because she's really good at singing. She's like punching it. Well done, mom. Well done. Well done, Glennis. Well done. Beautiful. Just amazing. And now we have another one, bro. Look, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, and thanks to that person who made this suggestion, I'm happy to sit and witness this woman, bro. Glennis, she's freaking awesome. If you guys did like this reaction, please suggest more, right? Of Glennis's music, and I'll be happy to check them out, bro. So thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next song.